Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one that was sent by Ferengi from Australia. Thank you. This is Indonesian variety by Kobe. This is Jiwa, Pagi, Instan, Ayam, Bawang, which is onion, chicken, and it's vegetarian for the vegetarians. Very tight-knit block, looks very crocheted. 3 to 4 minutes. Doing 3.5 on the boil. Adding that in. Good to go. So, yeah. Wow. It was raining. I mean, raining. A lot. And I got freaking soaked. All new clothes. But yeah, that was ridiculous. I've been doing 10 miles a day for... I missed one day, which kills me still. But, yeah. There was nothing I could do about that. But, yeah. Today it is dumping. But I think it's going to let up a little bit. And then I'm going to go out and do a bunch more. I got, 8.5 miles this morning, according to the deal. So, yeah, not a lot more to do to get to my 10. And I'll probably do more than that. But yeah. Windy and rainy, my least favorite walking weather. It's a pain in the butt. Makes it very hard to want to go out to start out with. And it's really not cold. It's like, in the 50s outside? So you put all that together and I'm just like, dude, screw this. But what do? You gotta do it anyways. If you're a walking fiend, you gotta do it. And that's me. So yeah. So this will be the second or third day I've done 3 reviews. I took about a month off. And the top 10 Japan list, I think I'm going to push that out on Monday. So, I've got 3 more I've got to edit. Bottom 10 cups and bowls. Once all those are out, I'm guessing I'll have everything released by July, I think. Then I'll pick a day, go through and do all the video recording and all that stuff, and probably the next big list will be after those top 10 Taiwan. That's always a big deal. Top 10 spicy. Yeah, so more to come. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to crank these out as fast as I can. I'm not going to make it to Seattle and back. Yesterday, I went and did my morning walk, got home, did my reviews, and then once I was done, rocked my butt out down to the sign that says welcome to Seattle, turned around and came back. I pulled it off. That was cool. I don't think I'm going to have time to do that today, and the weather is just garbage, so... You never know, though. You never know. But I'm sick of wearing, it's one day into this nice weather phenomena we have going on right now. It's going to be very rainy for the foreseeable future, I think. And I'm already sick of wearing pants. I was really enjoying being able to go out wearing shorts. Liberating. Niceness. But sadly, that's that. Alright, so this is some kind of... I've had other ones from this range. They weren't too bad. We'll see. Onion chicken, ladies and gentlemen. Onion chicken. I think that... Oh, what's the deal? The noodle is made with carrot and green bean. Here's what it looks like prepared as per packaging request. Yeah, it doesn't look all that. Looks can be deceiving though. I've made bowls that look absolutely beautiful and look like, oh my god, that looks really good. No, it tastes like slop. Oh, that doesn't look very good. Oh my god, it was the best thing ever. Interesting. Interesting. That's all I can really say about it. I'm not like super thrilled. It's not bad. I'll say it's better than a lot of varieties I've had. But it definitely, on its own, if you were going to eat it straight like that, you'd probably be a little disappointed. I thought it was going to be amazing. No. Not amazing. But you can't have Christmas every day. Okay, so there we are. Let's gussy this sucker up. I've got some chicken. We'll slap in a little chicken. Then we need an egg. These are organic, free-range eggs. Well, once you kill them, they can't really move around so much. So I really won't ever understand the whole concept of free range. Because now they're not really too happily moving about. Look at those. I will have to say, those were like the easiest to peel eggs I've ever come in contact with. And that's saying something, because I've dealt with a lot of eggs. But that was a nice set. And we've got some onion. And I've got some fried onion, which I think will work well with this. A little crispness. And some crushed red pepper. And I think that's where I want to leave it on this one. And there we go. All right, right on. The next one we're going to have came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is a Sugakia variety. And as I'm sure you can tell by that big mountain of the powder there, it's going to be spicy. So catch it on the next episode. This has been Han Ramen Raider.